Hello everyone, thank you for joining me where I go over my travel capsule wardrobe. This is a spring casual capsule wardrobe for a conference that I attended in Palm Springs. I hope you like some of the outfits and that they inspire you to create some of your own stylish outfits for your own travels. Okay, so my conference outfits, I already showed you what I wore today. So I have a striped shirt on that can be mixed with these jeans. I have a black t-shirt, and then this is a bodysuit, a white bodysuit. This romper situation right here, I could put it with the black shirt or the white one. I could also put the black t-shirt with the jeans, the white shirt with the jeans. I have the hat. And I brought this Shacket shirt jacket from Aerie. So that's a possibility to wear over any of the leggings or also the jeans if need be, and then throw the hat on. I know by Saturday my hair is going to be really greasy, so that will be my little saving grace right there. With the wide leg pants, I can mix and match all of the tops, the white bodysuit, the black t-shirt, the striped shirt, and throw the Shacket on top of any of them. I tried to pack very simple, so that way I could utilize things that I could wear to work out, but also turn them into outfits. So this is my workout section. As I was unpacking, I realized most of it's Fabletics, except for this one right here, this Lululemon sports bra. I wanted to bring this sports bra because it has this great design in the back, and this tank top has a little peekaboo right here, so I like to wear that underneath this, and I think it looks cute. And then I have a V-neck sports bra from Fabletics, and this can double as a bra, so I have that one. Over here, this is my pajamas for traveling because the pieces could also be utilized as clothing. So I just have my Sleep is Overrated Black Dot Coffee t-shirt and a pair of black sweats. So if I needed to, these could be mixed in with other pieces that I brought and be suitable for the conference if need be. So I could, that's a longer shirt, so I could mix it with one of these pants, wear these shoes, and then moving over here, I have that hat, lint roller, always a must, especially if you watch any of my other vlogs. You know that I have a Maine Coon cat, so he's a little bit hairy. So that's what I packed. And then I have my sneakers on because I can use these for the gym. And I just brought a pair of flats. I realized I need to polish my toes, so I did go to CVS to get some nail polish last minute. So that is what I packed for the conference. And here's my day 2 outfit. I have my onesie. I painted my toes last night so I can wear my sandals, my white bodysuit, just pearl earrings that go with everything. That's it. There's nothing else to this outfit. Here's the day 3 outfits. Finally wearing jeans. And I have to do the hat. I'm just too self-conscious of my hair being greasy. So hopefully I can pull it off. All right, I have to check out and take the rest of the stuff to my car, and then coffee and conference. Okay, there's my little backpack. And my clothes. Let's go check out. and there are some outlets. So I'm stopping and I'm just gonna check it out. Let's go shopping. Let's go see what we can find. Okay, I'm back from shopping. It's almost like I planned to shop in the rain because I have my Shacket and I have a hat. So it worked out perfectly. The only thing was I wore my sandals. I should have switched into my sneakers. Yes. So I found a crossbody. I looked through Kate Spade, like combed through to find the perfect one. I found one. I love it. I tried on so many crossbodies. So this was the winner. And then at Ann Taylor Loft, the jewelry was buy one, get two free. So I bought a pearl necklace, and then I got a set of a stacked pearl necklace and a bracelet. Heading home. It is raining, as you can tell. I will end the vlog here. Please check out my channel, subscribe. I do productivity, day in the life, graduate student, mom, full-time educator, wife, all the chaos. So join me on this journey, like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.